This one's a favorite for privacy nerds, and for good reason. PIA is all about transparency. It's open source, which means anyone can check under the hood and see how it's built. No shady stuff happening behind the scenes. For Asus routers, it's a solid pick because it's flexible, reliable, and gives you tons of customization options. Here's where it gets really interesting though. PIA lets you connect to a massive server network. In fact, over 35,000 servers across 91 different countries. That's a lot of options, to put it mildly. So streaming, torrenting, or just browsing the internet is always a breeze with a nearby server to hop onto. And security, well, it's airtight. With advanced features like multi-hop and port forwarding, you can add extra layers of protection or tweak your setup exactly how you like it. For privacy-focused folks, this is where PIA really takes the cake. The setup on Asus routers is straight as an arrow. The guides are clear and simple, so you won't be stuck Googling how to set up a VPN for hours on end. So now that you've got your VPN picked out, let's talk about setting it up. Setting up a VPN on your Asus router might sound like a huge headache, but trust me, it is way simpler than it seems. Let me walk you through the basics. Step 1 is just to log into your router. First things first, open your browser and type router.asus.com or your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1. This will take you to the router's login page. Don't know your login credentials? Well, check the back of your router or your manual. For most Asus routers, the default username and password are both admin. Step 2 is to find the VPN section. Once you're in, look for the VPN settings in the left-hand menu. Click on it, then select VPN clients, and that's where all the magic happens. Step 3 is to add a new profile. Next, you'll need to add a new profile, so choose OpenVPN, which is the best option for security, then fill in the details, including your username, password, and the server file that you got from your VPN provider. If you're using ExpressVPN, just download the server configuration file from their website and you're good to go. Step 4 is to activate the VPN. After that, just hit activate, give it a few seconds, and just like that, your entire network is now protected by a VPN. Want to double check? Well, run a quick location test to see if your IP has changed. Oh, and a quick pro tip for you, if you want a more detailed walkthrough with visuals, then we've got you covered. Head to our channel and check out our full tutorial on setting up ExpressVPN with your Asus router. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just trying to keep your browsing private, these VPNs have got you covered. Ready to take the next step? Well, hit the links down in the description for reviews, details, and even our full setup tutorials. Before you go, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss a chance to level up your tech game. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.